First impressions count. And your photo is probably the first thing that a meeting planner's eye will land on as they look through the directory. If you don't already have a professional headshot, it's time to get one. Many camera shops can do a decent headshot photo for like $50. So if you have a professional photo taken by a professional photographer, taken during a presentation, that works well too. But make sure it shows your face clearly. You want your face filling at least 20% of the image, unless you have some sort of signature pose that's a part of your branding. To upload the photo to your profile, you'll need to have the image on your hard drive and use one of these file formats: JPG, PNG, or GIF. These are the standard file formats that any image editing software can save files in. And so you'll need to use one of these. And your photo should be at least 600 pixels wide by 600 pixels tall. The upload tool in your eSpeakers dashboard also provides you with tools to rotate, crop, and zoom your picture after you've uploaded it. So if it's bigger than that, or it has more background that you want to crop out, then that's fine. Now I want to show you an example of a good photo right here. Look at this. You can see him clearly. The lighting is great, and the neutral background keeps you from getting distracted by anything except his face. So now let's go through how to upload a photo in your eSpeakers dashboard. On your profile dashboard, choose Edit Your Profile on the left-hand side. And then there's an option here on the left for Profile Photo. I'm going to go ahead and delete this photo so I can show you what you probably see when you start. Now you could just drag and drop your photo in here from another program, or you can click on this circle and then select a photo from your hard drive. Now I have one that's already got a circle in it, but if you notice the dimensions, it's 300 by 300. That's too small. So I'm going to upload the bigger photo. Select Open, and it's added right away. Now, if this is not cropped correctly, I can click the Edit button and choose how I want it to display, but it's always going to be displayed as a square and cropped to a circle. That's it. After you have your photo and your bio both uploaded, that will publish your profile to the eSpeakers Marketplace and the other directories that it connects to. Next, I want you to spend some time on your audience benefit statement. Those are the two things that really make you clickable on the eSpeakers directory, is your photo and your audience benefit statement.